It was super windy. You saw these waves, but today that is not the case. You also have plenty of blue skies as well. So, all right, here's what's going on for you. If you're wondering what's happening with post-tropical cyclone Francine, it's really not much of anything left at all. See a few showers here and there. So portions of the Tennessee Valley, Ohio Valley got it. And then you're even seeing some rain off towards Florida, making its way towards Georgia. So since we're talking about the tropics, let's just stay there. In the Gulf, we're not expecting to see any development happening over the next 7 days. So we can relax, we can breathe some. That's some good news for us. But elsewhere, though, we do have some stuff developing. So National Hurricane Center now watching two other areas. So this one going to be just off the eastern coast. So looking at a 30% chance of seeing development happening over the next 7 days. And then here's another one. This one's going to be at the Lesser Antilles, looking at a 20% chance of development within the next 2 days or within the next 7 days. But this one right here doesn't look like it's going to hold together very much. Not going to run into some favorable conditions. So doesn't look like that will hold off, but we'll keep watching that one though as we do go on. Now here's something else. So earlier this morning, this was just a tropical depression. Now it got upgraded, Tropical Storm Gordon. We can talk about this one though because it's not going to impact us at all. So heading out towards the west, and then it's going to continue to make a turn on up to the north. So this is not anything that we have to worry about at all, but just know there's something out there. This is just on the other side of the Lesser Antilles, just off of Cabo Verde. So just off the coast of Africa. Now, elsewhere, though, we're still talking about the chance to see some flooding in our area. So the flood alerts for you, well, not the greatest. As of right now, not seeing any rain, but I do still have a couple of areas looking at some rivers on the North Shore that are dealing with some flooding. Now, the flooding with these going to be on the minor side. So the one that we do have in St. Tammany Parish, that's actually going to start to go down as we do get to tonight. So that warning will expire. And then the one near Bogalusa, talking about Pearl River, that's going to take a couple of days. So we'll keep watching that, both of those into the minor area. Now, as far as the rest of your WDSU first warning 7-day forecast, 80 now, plenty of sunshine, small chances for some showers.